Stop playing with my mind. You call me on the phone, and now I want you home.
Shake off those chains and the chakras that surround you, spiritually and mentally too. Before you ever let doubt overcome you, keep on doing the rest of what you do. What do people say about you? Go far you go, do what you do. Move them all out, move them out. All the Africans, move them all out, move them out.